Katie Taylor with the Goodman Taylor team at Keller Williams Sonoran Living. The inspection period begins the first day after the purchase contract is accepted. During that time, the buyer has 10 days typically to order any inspections they want. Generally, we'll always recommend that the buyer has a general home inspection. However, that may cause the buyer to want a specific HVAC inspection or a roof inspection or a termite inspection. Any of those and any other inspections a buyer can think of need to be done during those first 10 days. This also includes the buyer's due diligence. So if they are concerned about crime, they'll need to use this time to look up crime statistics. If they are concerned about noise, I always tell them to drive around the neighborhood at different times of night and day to make sure that there's nothing that they aren't aware of as a typical thing that's going on at the house they're buying. All of that stuff can be done during the first 10 days. After all of the inspections are completed, the buyer's representative will submit a document to the seller's agent that requests any repairs that the buyer is wanting to be done. The seller is not obligated to complete those repairs. The seller can choose one or all or none of those repairs. If the seller chooses not to make any of the repairs, the buyer can then decide that they want to cancel and walk away and retain their earnest deposit. If the seller decides to make all those repairs or some of the repairs and the buyer agrees to it, then we move on with the contract. I hope that information was helpful. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. And thank you so much.